Okay, let's, as we head towards the London fix, take a look at what we have done and accomplished here today. We started the day off seeing a lot of pressure on the euro as it was trading right around 129.80 support, 4-hour and daily support. And the entire Forex market really focusing on the fate of the euro. And all of a sudden, about 40 minutes prior to non-farm payroll coming out, a quick drop, very, almost electrifying drop in the euro down to 129.50, bounced back up from 129.50 to 129.70, and we went short the euro at 129.72 with a 10 pip stop and a 15 pip target. The target was expanded down to 129.54, setting up a trade that had a 4.5 to 1 risk reward ratio. Just an excellent ratio. Quickly got some cushion in the trade, and we lowered our stop down to 129.76. So at that point, we were risking just 4 pips with the potential of making 18 pips. Had great potential. It did not stop us out. We went right up to non-farm payroll, and prior to that, we set up a chart on dollar-yen, which was the currency that responded with the biggest move several days ago when we had the leading indicators, ADP and non-farm, I'm sorry, manufacturing ISM. Let's keep an eye on cable here, as we are now 10 minutes in front of the London fix. Ready to go long cable at 155.76. Cable getting pressed higher. We will do it on a script with a 10 pip stop and a 12 pip target. Also keeping an eye on pound yen, which is now comfortably above the 129.20 area of Fibonacci resistance. It's up in cable for a potential long. Let's see if we get some buying going into the London fix as large accounts begin to square away their positions after a very busy week. Could see buying in the euro as well. Position squaring, position covering after a big down week in the euro, perhaps accounts wanting to take those positions off and capture the profit. Euro could be quite a mixed bag going into the London fix. Cable probably a little clearer trade here for us, but really trading up near the upper set of Bollinger Bands, like a little bit of a pullback. If the euro does get a whoosh to the upside going into the London fix, it could be faded right after that, as that buying potential is taken out of the market. Anyway, getting back to our recap, just prior to the 8:30 Eastern release of non-farm payroll, we used our new script. Just fantastic performance by the new script today. And we applied it on a chart of dollar-yen which again had the biggest move earlier in the week on good employment numbers. We set the script up, and it placed the orders right to the second at 1 minute prior to the 8:30 release. And on the release, which came in at 103,000, at 103,000, it was a big disappointment to the market. The dollar sold off very, very quickly with an electrifying drop in dollar yen. The new script got us in short at 83.50, and literally within it seemed like almost a second or two, it was almost faster than the blink of an eye. It dropped 40 pips, and the new script had the target set at 40 pips, so we immediately got filled within, as I say, a second or two. We got filled on our limit out at 83.10. So within seconds, we had a beautiful 40 pip winner. Fantastic performance by the new script. After that, we went short the euro at 129.87, and managed to have it drop quickly to 129.75, and we had a 12 pip winner. A bit later at 10:07 Eastern, we went short the euro again at 129.64. In the volatility after about a half an hour or so after the release, no, a little bit more than that, but an hour or so later, still a lot of volatility in the market, and we went short at 129.64 with a 10 pip stop and a 15 pip target. Wound up getting stopped out at 74 to lose 10. So wanting to take advantage as much as we could of the great trading conditions here. They were a bit whippy, but we have the tools, and we were stalking good risk-reward setups, which were prevalent all morning. So quite an interesting morning, and 4 trades on here, finishing up, barring any additional trades in the next few minutes, close to 40 pips on the session, 38 to 40 pips, and indeed a good morning. The stellar performer of the morning, the new script, and we intend to be really putting this to good use all year long. So great performance, went exactly as planned, and with the electrifying move in dollar yen, no human being could have ever traded it that quickly manually, just getting in and out. You had to have automated approach to the trade, and the new script here, the YTR new script, performed spectacularly. So as we head towards the 11 Eastern hour, we're wrapping up a very interesting day, good week, and again, barring any trade, and we still might get a trade here in the post-fixing hour, post-fixing minutes after 11, but a great morning and a good week trade.